आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, in this question we need to write the equivalent definition and draw the graph of the following function, and the function is signum x cube minus x. So what is my function? My function is signum x cube minus x. Now we all know that to find the critical points of signum function, we need to put x equals to 0, or you can say signum fx, then we need to put fx equals to 0. Right, here we have in place of fx we have what? X cube minus x equals to 0. Now if I take x common, I have x square minus 1 equals to 0, and finally I have x into x minus 1 into x plus 1 equals to 0. Now the value of x is what? 0, 1 and minus 1. So this is the value of x at which the signum function is always 0. Before moving onwards, I am going to tell you the basic definition of signum x. So what is signum x? Now signum x is always 1 if x is positive, 0 if x is 0, where x becomes 0. Now negative if x is negative. This is the basic definition of signum function. Now at all these points, that is 0, 1 and minus 1, my signum function will become 0. Now if we plot this graph, now this is my graph, and this is the point we have, that is 0, 1 and minus 1. Now we all know that if we put value greater than 1 here in this inequality, if we put value greater than 1 here, then this will behave as a positive. In between 0 to 1, this will be a negative. In between minus 1 to 0, again positive, and less than minus 1, it will behave like this, right? So this is the graph of signum x cube minus x. Now we all know that this function is positive in this domain and in this domain. This is positive, right? So we need to define the function also. So I can say signum x cube minus x equals to 1 if x belongs minus 1 to 0 union 1 to infinity, right? Here we get a positive value. Now we get 0 at 0, 1 and minus 1, right? So what I can say here is that my signum function will 0 at x belongs to minus 1, 0, 1 only. Now for negative part, we have negative part here and here. This is my negative part, right? So what I can say that my function will be minus 1 if x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 union 0 to 1, and this is the graph and this is the basic definition. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।